Hello, welcome to Gayathri's kitchen. Today I am going to make Luffa or sponge gourd chutney, which we call Neti Birakaya pachadi in Telugu. Since this is the Karthika Masam, our elders say we should eat this chutney at least once during this month. It's believed to be very good for health, especially in this season. So today I am picking some fresh Neti Birakayulu and also green chillies right from our garden to make this special chutney. We only make chutney with Neti Birakaya, and this chutney tastes really delicious with hot rice and ghee and also goes well with idli and dosa. So let's get into the process. So let's start by cutting the Neti Birakaya. I am cutting this into bigger pieces, a little more than an inch. That's because if we cut into small pieces, the chutney becomes a smooth paste while grinding, and we don't want that. For this chutney, we want a coarse texture, so that's why I'm cutting into bigger chunks. Now let's cut the chilies into halves. Cutting them helps fry evenly from the inside and outside, and it also reduces the spiciness a bit. Plus, in this way, they won't pop up while frying. Now, in a pan, heat some olive oil. Once it's hot, add the green chilies and saute them for few minutes. In this, add a little cumin and fry for few more seconds. Once done, transfer these into a mixie jar and keep it aside. In the same pan, add our Neti Birakaya pieces. Sprinkle a little salt and turmeric powder and let this vegetable contains a lot of water, so as it cooks it will release plenty of moisture. We need to cook until all the water reduces. In the last few minutes, add some tamarind and continue cooking until all the moisture evaporates. Now in the mixie jar I am adding garlic and some salt. By now this is also done. Our loofah mixture has become dry. This is how it should be. So let's remove the tamarind piece from it and add it into the chilies. Now turn up the stove and let it cool down completely. And now first grind these ingredients and then later we can add the cooked vegetable. As you can see, it's cooled down completely. So I'm adding it into the mixie jar. Add some salt and grind everything together. While grinding, just give pulses 3 to 4 times. Each pulse should be just like a second. That's it. Our chutney should be coarse like this, not like a smooth paste. Our chutney is ready. We can have this as it is, or we can add tadka also. For tadka, heat some oil in a pan. In this, add chana dal, mustard seeds, cumin and red chillies. Fry these until the mustard seeds splutter. Finally, sprinkle some salt and curry leaves. Our tadka is ready. Let's add it into the chutney. And that's it, our tasty Neti Birakaya chutney. You also try this recipe and share it with your family and friends. I hope this video is useful. If you like this, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.